Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and today is the April Woodlands giveaway part 1 drawing, and the winner will receive this journal, the Woodlands journal, along with some ephemera and this little packet of fabric and stuff. And if you checked out the other video, you would see specifically what all's coming in, or what you get in here. And the rules were you had to be a subscriber, you had to like the video, comment, and you also had to be a U.S. citizen. And so it ended last night, Eastern Standard Time at midnight. So let's go ahead and let me move this out the way. Go ahead and see about the drawing. Let me see if I can lift this up. I'm trying to record within the computer as well as on my laptop. So let me see. I'm going to zoom in just in case it doesn't pick up on my other one. Let me see if you can see that or not. Okay. So let's see. I'm going to be using the YouTube random comment picker, and I've already went on ahead and I've added the link to the video. And see, YouTube giveaway settings and filters. Add comment replies, filter duplicate users, and exclude users. And I excluded myself, and I also excluded Brenda of Belasterworks because her comment, she said, I'm commenting not to win, but to support your channel. So if my name gets drawn, do it again. Terrific journaling and giveaway, Sonia. So I'm just going to take hers out so, you know, I won't have to redraw. And let's see. There's going to be one winner. Share random names. 9. And let's get our YouTube comments. So there's 11 unique comments. And let's just go ahead and get started. So start. Oh, Allison Havenick. Congratulations, Allison. Thank you so much. So let's come over here and look at your comment. Allison, what a treasure for a sweet giveaway. Thank you for sharing. You're so welcome, and thank you for watching and commenting, and I appreciate it so much. And I appreciate all of my subscribers and viewers and everything, and supporters. And this is just going to be the first giveaway. I'm going to try to do another one at the end of this month. So within a few days, I'll let you know more information about it. So congratulations, Allison, and thank you everyone for watching.